In this video, I'll show you how to find new ICP Memecoins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you're on Dexscreener, right, what you're going to click now, you're going to see this top gainers new page. So you're going to click on that new page, right? Once I've clicked on the new page, wait for it to open. Once it has opened, you can see in the past 24 hours, there haven't been any launch right here, right? So the past 3 days, I'm not sure. So still the same thing. The past 7 days, still the same thing. So this is basically how you can find new ICP meme coins on Dash. When I find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.